Thanks for joining me today. Today I get to walk you through this 2026 Sea Ray SDX 230. This is not just a normal 230, this is the Surf Edition. Sea Ray has been coming out with the Surf Edition boats this year, and you can see we've got the nice plates in the back. We got the reverse drive Merc, which makes it a Surf Edition. Just gives you a good variety. If you just want to go out, cruise the lakes and hang out, you can do that. And if you also want to fill up some ballast and go out surfing, it gives you that ability as well. We've got the drop down swim platform right here, so when you're hanging out, you can just kind of hang out on that. You do have the boarding ladder as well. So lots to see on the interior. Please join me aboard. Well, thanks for joining me on the interior of this SDX 230 Surf. As you can see here, we have the dune interior. Nice sun pad in the back, a couple cup holders, place to plug in a phone, access to your Fusion. Love the walkway in this boat. We've got sea deck all the way into the boat. You're not stepping on any cushions. And then we have this nice U-shaped seating all the way around. Storage, place for a table. We got the helm right here with the backrest that moves forward and aft. Same here on the co-captain side. With this 230, we do have dual Simrad touch screens. You do have some rocker switches right there. We do have trim tabs, and obviously those are your surf tabs as well. We got the digital throttle, the Merc digital throttle, place for your phone, Fusion stereo head over here with the speakers. And then in this 23, we do have a nice storage and head unit. And as we walk to the bow, got a nice big bow. That's what the sun decks give you. You've got, again, cup holders, seating, place for a table up front as well. Great all-around boat. Great boat to just go hang out with friends, and if you want to get on a surfboard, it's got that ability as well. This boat here is here at our Rogers location. Stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.